Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this XIAOMI. First of all, find Google folder, click on it and select calendar. Now you need to tap on the month above, pick a date and click at this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on event and customize it however you wish to. You can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, add location, choose people from your contact book, add description and even pick starting hour or ending one. You can also turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. If you want to save your alarm, click on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can always delete it by clicking on it, choosing these three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and confirming your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!